Hey everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's a Di's Shorts, and we're going to be opening up the third little mystery toy. I've been doing these the last couple Di's Shorts. Hopefully you're having as much fun with them as me, and I'm not boring you too much, because this is a third one, and then next week is the fourth one, and that's the animal party. And then let me know if you want me to get any more of them. I still might, grab them now and then, but you might go, well, we don't need to see them. But they are super cute. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. During the video premiere, I'm in the chat room, so head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. If you're watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, leave it below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. So yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna open this cute little mystery box, and I can't wait to see which one I've got. So close your eyes for a second, and I'm gonna adjust my camera. Okay, so this week it's the fruits party. And if you are new, when I get my hair cut, there's a little Asian store not too far away, so I've been running in there and grabbing these little mystery boxes. So this one you have, it's really hard to tell. I think it says 1 in 12. Yeah, so 4, 8, 12. So you have 1 in 12 chance that I can get one of these little guys. Or 1 in, I can't read the number of the 72, I think it says. That one might say 30, this one might say 72. So you really don't know what you're going to get. It's just kind of fun. I used to do these with the Walking Dead. I have so many little Walking Dead mystery box little people. So anyways, all right, so let's get this open. Now I'm going to open like this because sometimes there's like a card in there that says what it is. So I'm just... I don't want to look at the box. I want to pull out my little bag before I look at anything else. All right, so I'm just going to put that over there. All right, so we have our little bag. Please dispose of the waste properly. All right, the world is a toy. You know, that is so true because I am 60 years old, but I still love toys and stuff like that. Oh, this one even has a tear thing. So I don't even know what one I hope I get. They're all really, really cute. Now some have the little leg that kicks out, and then some just have the legs that hang. So I kind of hope I have a little leg that kicks out. I'm going to love no matter what, but I hope my little leg kicks out. All right. So let's see here. Oh! Now my leg doesn't kick out, but look how adorable. Okay, so hang on a minute. So does this one have a card? So see, they have this card in there. Oh, this is a do not eat. All right. Oh, it's banana shortbread. And I've been bad, and I have not been keeping these cards. All right. And then what it has is, so it has this little thing, and this must be sticky. Is that sticky behind there? I think that's sticky behind there. Okay. Oh, this just must be some new sticky. I mean, I don't know. There is no instructions, although this might be instructions. But I think he hangs on stuff. I'm like looking on my desk like, what the heck could he hang on? Because they kind of have it, like his little arms go up. What did I say this one was? Banana? I don't know. What did I just say it was? Banana something. Banana shortbread. All right, so his little hands. So, see how he's like this? So he can hang on like a plant or something. So now if I peel this off, it's going to reveal like a sticky. So I think I probably shouldn't have taken that out of the paper, because I think what this is an extra one. So I'm just going to put this in my desk and then I'll lose it and I'll never find it again. All right, but I think that's what this is. So you peel this off. So I need to find something I want to stick them on the side of, because he'll hang on something. But I want to be able to see him. All right, so let me look around. All right, I'm going to look around in my studio and find something. All right, so I have one of my little jars, my little, you know, I pick these up when I go antiquing, like a creamer or whatever. But I use them around the studio for different things. You know, I have my seal in this one. I have, don't look at the dust, I have my Tombos and my whatever glue in this cute one. I have scrap paper, you know, in this one. So I kind of have them around the studio, you know, with different things in them, because they're just adorable and I just like finding cute little ones. All right, so I think I think I could put him on here. Because see, I think he's just going to stick. So let me take this seal out of there. All right, let me just make sure this is nice and no dust on it. All right, so I'm just going to dust it with my t-shirt. All right, and I think I can just stick him on there. So see how he'll kind of rest on there with his little feet? And then he will just look over the edge and he'll kind of be my little seal. He's going to protect my seal. So I'm just going to peel this off, because I'm assuming that's what we're going to do. We're going to peel this off, and that exposes the glue. And then we're going to cross our fingers that I don't mess this up, although it did give you that extra one. And I'm just going to push him on there. So I think he's pretty, I mean, I'm not going to yank him off, but I think he'll stay on there. But like I said, it gave me that other one right here, that I think if that one stops sticking, I have this other one here. Unless this one was to make it thicker. So I'm just going to keep him on there. I will keep this somewhere. I'm going to put it in with my glue dots. All right, but look how cute he is right there. So now he's on my desk, because I wanted to put him somewhere where I could see him. You know, like, he's just too cute. And what did I say he was? Banana shortbread. I love banana pudding. All right, but look how cute. So he's just sitting over there, just staring at me. All right. So let me say, see you later, alligator. So we will do Animal Party next. Die shorts. Yeah. Unless I do it now. You want me to just do it now and get it over with? I'm going to do it now. Because I don't want to wait anymore. All right. Let's do this one now. Because I don't want to wait anymore. Maybe I'll get another hangy on her, and then I can hang him on the other side. All right. Well, I think this is the same way, right? This is just Animal Party. Now, they are not fuzzy. The other two that I opened before were flocked. So it's kind of hard to see, but they have like a flocking to them. And so I just have them sitting on my hutch over there. All right. So we're just going to go for it. We're just going to open up this one as well. All right. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to open. So this one looks like the same thing. 1 in 12. They also have kicky out legs. They kind of have this similar little face. But if I'm not mistaken, because they do have a little, they have a little, I'm not looking as I take this stuff out of the box. They have a little, setup in the store where you can kind of see the things for real. Oh, look at that giraffe. And I want to say these ones had hair. Like that little guy I just opened a minute ago, he was smooth. So I don't know which one I hope. This little picture shows a giraffe. Do you think it's going to be the giraffe because the bag is giraffe? I don't know. That would kind of spoil the whole fun, wouldn't it? If the bag... Oh my gosh, look how cute! Oh my gosh. See? Look it. This one has like a fluffy hat. So he almost looks like look at, they have the same little bums. See that? They have the same little bums, the same little feet. It's almost the same little face. His nose is a little redder. His eyebrows are a little different. But oh my gosh, look how cute. Now he does have hangy down feet. But look at, he's a little bear. And he's even got like a little button there on his head. And his little ears. So these ones were furry. All right, so let me see. What does this one say? Oh, so see, I got another one of these. This one is just Bear. He's just called Bear. Oh, so cute. So do you think I should put him on? I think I should put him over here. I think I will. Now, I want to say I need to, this one might be an extender, so I'm going to leave that one since they're pretty much the same toy. I'm going to add this one to this one because I want to say that on this angle on my cup, it's a little bit different. Or maybe I put them over here. I just think I need it to be a little fatter. Or a little thicker. So we'll see. If they fall off, I will just put more glue. All right, now I have no fingernails, but isn't he cute? Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see here. Like I said, I am 60 years old, but I have toys and stuff all over my studio. All right, so I'm just going to put this little guy right here. And they can both, so I'm just kind of pushing them. So, like, they seem pretty secure, but I have these if I need to. And if all else fails, I could probably hot glue them on there. But look how cute they are. The little cutie patooties on there protecting my seal. So now this almost looks like a bathtub, doesn't it? So anyways, but now I could have put it in here and then I would have him like peeking out as well. That would have been cute. And then his little bum would have been inside here. But then my seal might have got hung up, on his little feet, and I don't want that. But all right, so now I will say see you later, alligator. So now what will I do for next week's die shorts? I don't know. But so hopefully you had fun while I opened these up. Let me know if you're interested in stuff like that, because it's just too cute. So anyways, I will stop blabbing. I will see you next week. So I'll see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. And that will be at 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you then. All right. Bye for now.